In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Let's start right from your Squarespace account area. Once you're signed in, head to your main dashboard. From there, choose Go to Website so you're inside your site's editor. On the left-hand sidebar, click Website to reveal all the core tools, then Open Pages. This is where you'll manage your site's structure and add new layout pages built with Fluid Engine. Inside Pages, you'll see two important sections, Main Navigation and Not Linked. Main navigation contains the pages that appear in your site's top menu. Not linked is a handy workspace for pages you don't want visible in your navigation yet. Great for drafts, landing pages, or seasonal content. Go ahead and open main navigation to see what's currently live. Then switch to not linked so you can work without changing what visitors see immediately. Now let's add a new page. Click the plus icon. This opens the Layout Pages library, where Squarespace provides professionally designed starting points that use Fluid Engine's drag and drop grid. As you browse, you can click different categories to preview how each layout is structured and decide what fits your goal. Click Introduce to see clean, welcoming designs made for About or Intro sections. These often include a bold hero area, concise text blocks, and space for imagery, perfect for presenting who you are or what your brand does at a glance. Next, click Sell. These pages are conversion-focused. You'll notice strong headings, benefit-driven sections, and calls to action designed to guide visitors toward purchasing or inquiring. They're ideal if you want a direct path from interest to action. Click Showcase to preview portfolio-style layouts. These emphasize visuals, grids, galleries, and neatly styled captions, so creative work, case studies, or before and after examples look polished and easy to scan. Click Products to see layouts for highlighting individual products or small collections. You'll typically find image and text pairings, feature lists, and spots for pricing or specs, built to make product details clear and compelling. Click Store to look at full store pages meant to anchor your e-commerce experience. These templates prioritize browsability, with sections that help visitors explore items and move smoothly toward checkout. Click Featured to preview focused highlight pages. These are great for elevating a single offer, event, or limited time promotion with a strong hero and a streamlined flow toward a call to action. If you want to explore more options, click the plus icon again to reopen the library, then select Introduce one more time to compare variations. When you're ready to plan a contact destination, click Contact. These layouts typically include forms, essential contact details, and map blocks, making it simple for visitors to reach you without extra setup. With a page selected and added, open its settings to manage how it behaves on your site. From here, choose Set as Homepage if you want that layout to become the first page visitors see. This is useful when you found a layout that better frames your brand, a campaign, or a new product line. Remember that setting a homepage affects your site immediately, so make sure the content is in a good state before you finalize it. If you've created a test page you no longer need, you can remove it safely. Choose Delete Page. You'll see a warning explaining that deleted pages are no longer available to visitors and will be permanently removed after 30 days. This grace period gives you time to restore something you didn't mean to discard. If you're sure, confirm by clicking Delete. And that's it. You navigated to your dashboard, opened your site, worked inside pages, reviewed main navigation and not linked, explored layout categories like Introduce, Sell, Showcase, Products, Store, and Featured, added a contact page, set a home page, and learned how to delete a page with confidence. Use these layout pages as flexible starting points and let Fluid Engine's grid help you shape a design that looks great and supports your goals.